If you save your pet's baby teeth, you can use them to decorate your wounds on Halloween. The easiest way of non-surgically making a gross necrotic wound is using scar wax. To make your own scar wax, just mix a bit of flour with Vaseline until it no longer sticks to your fingers. Mold a piece of it into a snake, then slap it on using a spatula to blend the edges with your skin. Applying Vaseline to your skin beforehand will help it stick better. Now take a surgical scalpel and use the dull end to carve a crater through the middle. Dab some skin-colored eyeshadow to further blend the edges with your skin. Mixing red food coloring with cocoa powder will make very realistic looking fake blood. Use it to fill the inside of the wound crater. Add black eyeshadow to the wound edges to simulate the onset of necrosis. Don't forget to touch up with some more fake blood. Now gently plant the roots of the teeth in the scar wax. Today I'm using 2 canines and the star-shaped carnassial. They should go deep enough not to fall out when you move. It might be easier to do this using some forceps. Finally, add some fake blood to the teeth. If you prefer the look of fresh wounds, add some Vaseline over the top for a wetter appearance. Good luck and happy Halloween!